This is a folder that I can't delete. I can't delete this. It's a character error. You can't change the name either. I can't delete it now. I can't change the name. I will now guide you to fix this error. First, you go into that CM'd. Here, this is how I'll get to the link. Find the path of this file. You have to get in right. Like me to take its path here. You can't get a single letter wrong, right? Can do. Then put it on. You can type in a flat CD. Here, when you press enter, it looks like this. C is millet. And if it doesn't look like this, you guys, repeat OK. After entering the correct folder, the next step is to get the short name of the folder. Được chưa ạ? Type command. The full name is wrong. On the left short name, this is used to correct the error. You just need to focus on the left. This name must be typed 100% correctly. Wrong one character is not running. After having a short name, I'll use it to rename the folder. Type command. Ren equals rename. Tin1 equals old name short name. Tininfanta equals the new name you want to give. The new name should not be signed. Special order to avoid further errors. Not seeing an error means that you have succeeded. I checked to see if the name was changed successfully. If you see the old name, you can type false in the previous step if nothing changes. Check the genes step again.